In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could split screen here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 no matter what platform you're on. This is super simple to do, so we're going to go ahead and dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. And we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. What you're going to want to do is get into Black Ops 7, either into the multiplayer or zombies tab. In the right side of your screen over here, you're going to see a message that says add a controller or keyboard and mouse for split screen. Yes, you can use a keyboard and mouse if you want. Obviously, in most cases, people do use a second controller, but you know how it is nowadays. And that's coming from someone who plays on keyboard and mouse. But all you need to do, no matter what system you're on, is essentially just have your main device already logged in with your main account. So if you're playing on a controller, make sure that controller is logged into your main account, and then essentially just go ahead and connect that second device, whether it's a second controller, for example, let's just say it is. Essentially turn on that second controller and sign in with another profile. That profile must be signed into an Activision account. If it isn't, the game's going to prompt you to sign in before you can continue. And yes, you can do that through the game. Just keep that in mind. But once you are signed in with that secondary controller or mouse and keyboard, go ahead and press X if you're on PlayStation, A if you're on Xbox, or just space if you're on keyboard and mouse. And it's going to load you into that second account. And you'll notice the split screen message does disappear. And that's because Black Ops 7 only does support 2-player split screen. 3 or 4-player split screen is not available when the game is already very graphically demanding. Having more than 2 views on screen would tank the performance, even on a high-end PC. That is why it is limited to 2 players. But you can still play with 2 people and it works great. All you got to do is just essentially load into any match by just selecting find a match and then choosing whatever game mode you want to go ahead and play. And as soon as you get loaded into that match, you're going to see player 1 is going to be on top, player 2 is going to be on the bottom, and both of them can move around, shoot, change classes, and play completely normally. Even on console, the performance is surprisingly solid. It really is as simple as that though. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.